Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to change volume on your headphones 1More. You have to start by open the application and now go to custom settings. Now decide you wanna use double press or triple press. I'm going with the double one, but it's the same with the triple. And now click on volume down, volume up. Here we go. Now let's put some song and I put the headphones to my ears. And if I press 2 times on my right earbud, I will increase the volume. 1, 2. Here we go. And if I press 2 times on my left earbud, I will lower the volume. 1, 2. Here we go. The touches areas located right here. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!